Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for TSB Bank Chatbot. As a customer service tool, the TSB Bank Chatbot is designed to provide quick and efficient support to customers. To get the most out of this tool, it is essential to understand how to use it effectively. First, it is crucial to understand the purpose of the chatbot. The TSB Bank Chatbot is designed to help customers with general inquiries, such as account balances, transaction history, and basic banking services. It can also assist with more complex issues, like password resets and account lockouts. When interacting with the TSB Bank chatbot, it is best to be clear and concise in your requests. This means asking specific questions and providing relevant information, such as your account number or the nature of your inquiry. For example, if you are having trouble with your online banking, you can ask the chatbot to reset your password or provide guidance on how to resolve the issue. Another best practice is to use natural language when interacting with the chatbot. This means speaking to the chatbot as you would to a human customer service representative. Avoid using jargon or overly technical terms, and instead focus on using simple and straightforward language. In addition to being clear and concise, it is also essential to be patient when interacting with the TSB Bank chatbot. The chatbot is designed to provide quick and efficient support, but it may take a few moments to respond to your inquiry. This is because the chatbot is processing your request and retrieving the necessary information to provide a helpful response. To get the most out of the TSB Bank chatbot, it is also a good idea to be aware of its limitations. The chatbot is not designed to handle complex or sensitive issues, such as account disputes or fraud claims. In these cases, it is best to contact a human customer service representative for assistance. Finally, it is essential to keep your personal and financial information secure when interacting with the TSB Bank chatbot. This means avoiding sharing sensitive information, such as your account number or password, and instead using the chatbot to request general information or guidance. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of the TSB Bank chatbot and receive quick and efficient support for your banking needs. Remember to be clear and concise in your requests. Use natural language. Be patient, and be aware of the chatbot's limitations. With these tips, you can use the TSB Bank chatbot to simplify your banking experience and get the help you need when you need it.